Welcome guys back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely and healthy elixir. And this is going to be like a flu tea for cough, mucus. This is the first time you're watching this channel. Just to let you know, you're welcome and I'm happy to have you. Please do remember to like, share and subscribe. I'll show you what this tea look like. This is a lovely tea and I'm going to show you how to make this. Wow. And this is what you can make. You put this in your fridge and whenever you feel for it, just take it out, make yourself some green tea, add some of this in it, and you're good to go. Stay tuned for this video tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make your own natural cough and mucus elixir medicine. So you can stop buying these cough syrup, which they're not helping anyway. What I'm going to do here, I have one lemon. Just go ahead, cut it in half. We're going to squeeze this out. Yeah, so if you have a lemon squeezer, that's good. If you don't, just use your hand and then just strain it off. Get yourself a strainer. So we're just going to squeeze the juice out of this. Just make sure you get as much out of it as possible. So even with this, you can still boil it with some ginger and sort some tea out. So we have two lemon here. So the next thing I'm gonna get some garlic cloves. Get one of this. So we're gonna put it straight in. We're gonna squeeze him. This is what it looked like. Just use a knife or a spoon, whatever you find. So we're gonna put one more in this. So you need about 2 cloves of garlic. I don't think you need any more than this because you'll feel the effect of it anyway. And this here, guys, is good for cold, cough. This helps you to stop cough very quick and easy. So this video, guys, very important video. I'm gonna add some honey. You can add the amount you want in it. Just get some good quality honey. Remember the honey and the garlic have antibacterial properties in it. So that amount is okay. So next, I'm going to show you what to do with it. If you're going to give this to a child, don't put any cayenne pepper in it. But for adult, watch this. Couple splash of cayenne pepper in this. Remember, we're going for this mucus and heavy coughing. This will help you to stop cough. Get rid of the mucus out of your body. If this video of any help to you guys, please do remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave positive comment. So the next step, what I'm going to do, we're going to draw some tea. Yeah? Stay tuned. So here I have a teapot here. I have some green tea, get some lovely green tea. This is kind of a green tea and jasmine. So what we're going to do to make a tea, just get some of this and put here. It's going to go in the bottom anyway. So about 2 spoons of this. And depends on how strong you want it. Just go ahead and make sure the tea bag catch there. And then we're going to pour hot water over it. So go ahead and pour your hot water over it. This is about 1 cup. You're going to let this brew, cover him up. So while your tea brewing, just get yourself one of these lovely bottles. And the rest, because this, you're going to keep it in the fridge. Get your funnel. Just get your lid and just pop your lid on it. Now you have this, put it in the fridge. So once you have this here in your fridge, you know, consume this about 3 to 4 times a day, early morning, and make sure you have at night, you know, a little bit before you go to bed, and you'll see the difference. And as I said before, please remember to like and share. Now the tea is ready. So just go ahead and pour him straight in. If you notice the color, look at the color. This is all natural tea. And now if you think you need more in it, you can add a little bit more in it. So that's the tea is ready. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching.